Motherfuckers ready to go to jail about the Hell yeah. The fuck? Don't go in my refrigerator, bitch. Nice try because she clutching buddy, so bitch, let us see the police. Boy, don't come for me and you can't even see them because they all out here from here to there, but it's black as fuck out here. Bitch ass pigs right there all in my motherfucking house. Yes, all they seeing. I hope you 2.K 7 motherfuckers, 2.7K motherfuckers on here when these motherfuckers leave. Fuckers ain't shit dirty about this motherfucking house.